So I'm Mark, I'm a fourth year PhD student, so I'm in my final year now.
Hi, I'm Caisey and I'm a third year PhD student.
I'm Olga and I'm in my final year of my PhD.
I'm Ben and I'm in my second year.
So the Peer Wellbeing Ambassador role was set up to give a guiding voice to any students who require any support during the PhD studies, and to act as a signpost, basically to say where, if a student needs advice for any certain topic, they should go and speak to these certain people over there or over there somewhere else. So as I said before, I'm in my final year of my PhD, and I know over the last few years, like some of the troubles and some of the issues I've had, and I've realised that it would be quite nice to have someone you can kind of voice these issues to. And so when this opportunity came up, I thought it was a great idea for me to have a go for it and be that voice for anyone else who thinks they might have these sort of stresses during their PhD.
We offer a one-to-one drop-in session and meetings. So during these one-to-one meetings, we can offer signposting services to university, counselling services, welfare, student advice, and allow them to get the best advice that they can get.
So academia can be a really tough place to work in, and part of getting through that is having a strong support system to help you through the tough times. I was lucky enough to have a lot of people helping me in my first year, and not everyone is so lucky, and it can be quite lonely when you don't have a lot of support. So hopefully by being a part of the scheme I can help contribute some of that back to new researchers coming into the lab.
We run wellbeing walks, which take place every 2 weeks. They're run at lunch hour, so they're not going to interfere with your day-to-day. And they're just a great opportunity to get out of the lab or office environment, interact with other people around the institute, and just get some fresh air and refresh your mind.
Wellbeing is something that I'm really passionate about, and it's actually something that I'm really passionate about projecting outwards to other people as well. Now, people struggle, and when professional struggles and personal struggles are combined, sometimes it can become quite unmanageable. In these situations, sometimes it just helps to have somebody to talk to, and if I can be that person, then that's great for me. It's fantastic for the person who I've helped, and it can also be pretty great for the scientific community, because a happy researcher is somebody who's going to produce better research output.
We also offer wellbeing workshops, and if you want to run one or have any ideas for activities, you're very welcome to contact us.
So now I'm in my final year of my PhD, and through my PhD I realised that a lot of people struggle, and it's not very convenient for them to talk about it, and it's kind of something that people don't really realise how many people are actually struggling, and I thought if I could offer some support for people, that would be really nice, and I really wanted to do so.
We are positive role models because we are friendly faces and people can come and speak to whatever they want.